Hey everyone, how are you? I'm Heather, I'm the Bent Yogi, and if you are doing the 28-day challenge with me, my 28-day couch to mat yoga challenge, then you are past the halfway point. Wow, that is awesome. And if you're doing the challenge, I hope you're enjoying it. I hope you're noticing a change in how you feel, your vitality, your balance, physical, mental, energetic. And if you are doing the challenge and you are noticing a shift in these things and you are enjoying it, then I want to ask you for your support. And all I want to ask you for is, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And share the challenge, share my channel with your friends, right? I need your support. We need each other. We really do. I love offering classes. I love offering challenges like this, and I definitely want to do more of it in the future. So please, let's support each other. I'm Heather. I'm the Bent Yogi. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. I will see you tomorrow on your mat, and please subscribe to my channel.